Hello everyone. Meet again with my channel car, Interior and Exterior. In this video we will discuss about car's 2023 Buick Enclave. For the 2022 model year, the Buick Enclave received a mid-cycle refresh. Buick gave the Enclave updated exterior styling, more standard safety features, standard wireless smartphone compatibility, an updated transmission shifter button design, and a new sport touring trim level. Coming off of the recent refresh, we think the 2023 Buick Enclave will be a carryover model with a full redesign expected to arrive for the 2024 model year. As a carryover model, the 2023 Enclave should have the same exterior design as the current model that's on sale. The 2022 Enclave arrived with an updated design thanks to new headlights, revised taillights, and upgraded front and rear bumpers. The SUV also received new wheels. The result was an SUV with a far sharper design than before. On the inside, the current Enclave has a handsome design with sweeping lines and a dashboard that is centered around the touchscreen. The center console splits the physical controls for the HVAC and infotainment systems for ease of use. The HVAC controls are located closer to the driver than the infotainment system to make them easier to reach. The Enclave's subpar materials continue to hold it back from more upscale rivals. As a carryover model, the 2023 Buick Enclave will have the same interior design as the current SUV that's on sale. The current Enclave comes standard with an 8-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Wi-Fi hotspot, a wireless smartphone charger, Bluetooth, a 4.2-inch driver information center, and 6 audio speakers. Available features include an 8-inch driver information center, a Bose 10-speaker audio system, navigation, and a head-up display. These features should continue to be available for the 2023 model year. The upcoming 2023 Enclave should be available with the same powertrains as the current SUV. The Enclave should come with a 3.6-liter V6 engine that makes 310 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque. A 9-speed automatic transmission should be standard. The Enclave will come standard with front-wheel drive and be available with all-wheel drive. Buick updated the Enclave's list of standard safety features for the 2022 model year. The SUV now comes with standard automatic emergency braking, forward collision warning, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, pedestrian detection, and parking sensors. Enhanced automatic emergency braking and adaptive cruise control are available. These features will continue to be available for the 2023 Enclave. Pricing and release date: the 2023 Buick Enclave is expected to go on sale before the end of 2022. Without any major changes, the 2023 Buick Enclave should have the same price range as the current SUV. The current Enclave ranges from $43,920 to $56,245 with destination.